One thing about me not go ever pressure a woman to be ladylike. Or whatever that is nowadays. No. I feel like you're not supposed to behave how you feel like. Be yourself. No man not supposed to pressure you to behave a particular way. But I don't know. I have to draw the line somewhere. Example. What do you mean on the road? You see me? Take a 7-seater taxi if you come to my yard. The driver pull the back seat and I notice a nice lady a walk forward. So I put her in first. Not because me a gentleman, but one next man did there on my back already and I no love man, so I not sit down beside him. So I put her in the middle. Then I go in. When I go in and the door lock, immediately I smell a 2-piece chicken a woman just buy. Smell like it just come out of the aisle, fresh off the grill. The kind of bun me not tell you like, cause about 5 o'clock in the evening now, I'm on the road from man and all know me not eat nothing. As soon as the car drive off, the woman asked me for a KFC cup, which me not have a problem. You see me? Your hand kind of full up, you might want to take out a taxi fare for now, so it's easier for when you come out you can pay him. No problem. So I take a cup from her. When I take the cup, I notice say, mama not reach with pocket or purse or nothing like that. Fam, when I look beside me and I see the woman,
Oh my God!
I rip up foul like her last meal, brother.
And what?
I mean, I tell you say how the car pack with people in a cause curfew time I come up and we know how that go already. To how we think look bad, you know, all the driver hear the woman mouth, you know. How me know this? Cause as the woman start eating first, I see the driver looking at the rear view mirror directly upon her. She loud. For the entire drive, they are dead for hungry and the woman just in my ears. Look, and if fox say me hungry, you know, you see me? Me feel like she could have waited a little bit, man. God almighty. I me did this down and woke up like me not have no sense. Never again. Peace.